The goal of the following protocol is to provide methodological recommendations that optimize research design, data acquisition, and psychometric analysis for eye tracking young children with autism spectrum disorders or other developmental disabilities. This is achieved by first selecting appropriate eye tracking equipment and creating a suitable testing environment that mitigates the complications that accompany eye tracking young children with autism. As a second step, positioning the child for optimal eye tracking while maintaining his or her interest and compliance are crucial for obtaining high-quality data. Next, eye tracking data is analyzed in order to characterize metrics of fixation patterns or examine oculomotor properties. Results can show whether children with and without autism spectrum disorders differ in their visual attention patterns, a determination that is typically based on fixation analysis to areas of interest or inspection of saccade dynamics.
Generally, individuals new to this method often struggle, as eye tracking young children with autism involves unique challenges that are not present when eye tracking typically developing older children or adult populations.
When testing young children with autism spectrum disorders, it is best to select an eye tracking system that accounts for head motion, but that does not restrict the head or require minimal head movement. Systems with a sampling rate of at least 50 Hz are adequate to examine scanning patterns, but a higher sampling rate of at least 250 Hz is recommended for investigating subtle oculomotor behavior. Sparse room decor is recommended in order to minimize distraction.